That's right, Robin. This is a copy of that grievance that the FOP filed against the city of Lorain. It states that it's up to the city to provide safe working conditions for its officers. The Lorain Fraternal Order of Police filed this grievance against the city, arguing that 13 police cruisers with more than 100,000 miles on them create unsafe working conditions for officers. Most of the vehicles are 2008 models. The grievance states the high mileage cruisers create an imminent threat to police officers involved in pursuits and emergency calls.
If we're responding to help a citizen in an emergency and our car breaks down, that's going to be a huge safety concern.
Union President Kyle Galinas told me this K9 cruiser has 125,000 miles on it. He pointed out that when the floorboard rusted out, the city garage replaced it with a stop sign. Another car has 121,000 miles on it. Galinas said oftentimes the police cars need to be jumped to start.
For instance, our K9 officer, if he's off, 2 days when he goes into, goes to go to work, his cruiser doesn't start half the time.
The FOP wants the city to stop using the patrol cars and replace them. The city safety director told me they're reviewing capital needs for all city departments, but the union says new police cars should be a priority.
It's not just police, it's many departments throughout the city where, because of budget cuts in the past, capital expenses have been put off.
Lorain Mayor Chase Rittenauer told me today the city put off buying police cars to avoid laying off police officers. He's looking for ways to pay for new cars, including the possibility of a federal grant.
We did not purchase cars because we wanted to keep people working.
Now, by comparison, the Amherst Police Department has an agreement with their city to replace patrol cars when they hit 95,000 miles. They're taken out of the fleet and a new patrol car is purchased. Live in Lorain, Paul Kiska, News 5.